Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to make Discord stream louder in 2024. So let's get started. So if you think your Discord sound is not that high and if you want to increase it, so to increase that, what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your Discord application. And after opening up your Discord application from here, what you can do is just simply tap on user settings option, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. And after tapping on user settings, now in the left side of your screen, you will find a bunch of options. From here, what you have to do is just simply scroll down and then tap on video and audio. So just tap on video and audio option, and after tapping on that, now you'll find your output. So what you have to do is just simply increase your output if you think the volume is too low. So what you can do is just simply adjust the volume according to the way that you like. So after adjusting it, now if you want to check if it's correct, then what you can do is just simply tap on let's check. And after tapping on let's check, now you can hear your stream sound. So just simply adjust it according to that, and if you find it right, then you can just simply select that number and keep it there. So just adjust this volume, and from here what you can do is just simply scroll down and you will find this option which is push to talk. So here will be in voice action. What you can do is just simply change it to push to talk, and you will find another slider. From here you just have to increase the volume according to the way you like. So just simply increase the volume and then check if it's right, and if you think that's right, then you can just simply keep it there. And after changing this one, just scroll down, scroll all the way down, you will find another option which is echo cancellation, and the other option is noise suppression. So what you have to do is just simply change these two options. Make sure that your echo cancellation is turned on, and if your noise suppression is on none, what you can do is just simply change it to crisp. And after doing that, now you have successfully changed your voice settings. And now if you just go ahead and then try to stream in your Discord, you will find out that your voice volume has been increased. So it is more louder and clearer now than before. So just simply go ahead and then follow those steps and then change your settings, and after doing that, you will also make your Discord stream louder. So that's it guys, this is how to make Discord stream louder in 2024. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.